We're given this word problem that tells us that a solution is made by mixing 185 grams of sodium carbonate crystals with 500 ml of water at 30 degrees Celsius. And we're asked to classify the type of solution that is prepared. We're also given another information, which is the solubility of sodium carbonate at 30 degrees Celsius, which is 39.7 grams per 100 ml of water. So before we start solving this problem, let's first identify what are all the information that's given. When we first start reading the sentence, we have 185 grams of sodium carbonate, and then we're given 500 ml of water, and then the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. And we are also given the solubility at 30 degrees Celsius as 39.7 grams per 100 ml of water. So basically, those are the 4 pieces of info that we have. Now let's figure out what we need to find. When we're asked to find the type of solution prepared, basically there are 3 types of solution, which are unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated. I have a video that explains what is solubility and connects it to concentration. If you're interested, I'm going to place the link in the description box below. Do check it out. So now let's continue with this question. Now that we've listed out all the information that's given and we know what we need to find, let's come up with a plan. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to compare the concentration of the solution that is prepared against the given solubility. So the solubility at 30 degrees Celsius is 39.7 grams of sodium carbonate over 100 ml of water. That is the given solubility. Now the concentration of the solution that's prepared is 185 grams of sodium carbonate over 500 ml of water. If you notice, the volume of water is not the same, so it will be a little bit difficult to compare. So we need to make sure that we're comparing apples to apples. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both numbers with 5 so that it's going to give us the mass of the solute divided by the same volume of water, which is 100 ml. So it turns out 185 divided by 5 is going to give us 37 grams of sodium carbonate. 500 divided by 5, that gives us 100 ml. So now we can have a fair comparison, which is over the same volume of water. If we were to compare 500 against 100, it's rather difficult to make that comparison. So we want to normalize it so that we can do a fair comparison. So now, look at the concentration that we have prepared, which is 37 grams. And we compare it with the solubility that is given at 30 degrees, which is 39.7 grams. 37 is lesser than 39.7. So that means we could still add more solute, which is sodium carbonate, into the solution, and it would still dissolve. So that means the solution that we have prepared is an unsaturated solution. With that, we're done answering this problem on solubility. Here are the 2 videos that I've handpicked for you. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with someone. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot to me.